Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited. So I took a look at all your outlines. Usually it's always like the hardest one that I grade all the time because I want to make it perfect for your final papers and really point out a lot of stuff. So usually I really go into detail a lot with the outlines. So if you have any questions about the feedback, let me know. Everything's completed. I also completed your discussion assignments. Everything's good to go. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If you'd like to improve your grade from the outline, I'm all for it. Please go ahead and turn in a new assignment. I'm good to go from there. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Everything looked pretty good. Everybody's framework's pretty good. Just kind of missing some content here and there. A lot of the formatting was much more improved over time, so I was really impressed about that. So nicely done there. Other than that, just remember, use a third person. Stay away from the first. Really add detail to make sure you're using. And another thing I noticed, I think there was a few papers that we're focusing on just like certain elements that were not like just the company really. I really don't want you to do the company. I really want you to analyze the website. The whole goal of this is to analyze a website and the images in that website so we can find responses based upon those visual response elements. And that's what I really want you to do. So great work on that. A lot of the outlines came out pretty good. I was pretty happy with a lot of this stuff. So if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, if you feel like you would like to turn in, based upon the feedback, a little bit more improved work, if you want to redo it or something along the lines and get better grades, I'm all for that. So just let me know and we can go from there. Other than that, yeah, discussion is done. I posted the discussions, and that's pretty much it. So do keep in mind you have your reply post due tomorrow on Saturday, and then also your big 6-page paper, not including the cover and the reference page, so like 8 total, on Sunday. If you have any questions, call me. My phone will be on, so if you really need to text me, please let me know. I'm okay with this. Other than that, I'll let it go for this weekend. So because I know it's a big assignment. But don't worry, if you need some more time or need a couple extra days, I'll work with you. Just contact me ahead of time, and we can go from there. And we have some time next week because the assignments on week 6 are really, really simple. So don't worry about that. Other than that, that's all I got. Do keep in mind, course project on Sunday, reply post on Saturday. That's it. Keep an eye for week 6, and we're pretty much done. So thank you guys for everything. Really appreciate everyone. Thank you for being fantastic. And I'll see y'all for my last lecture on Tuesday. All right. Take it easy. Keep an eye out for my announcements. That's all I got. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Bye-bye.